psycho, I'm a madman. I'm a bad man. I'm a psycho, I'm a madman. I'm a psycho, I'm a madman. Call me my girl, I'm a Jason. Mini my girl for the break some. I'm a psycho, I'm a madman. Put a Draco on my casket. Blade in my tongue for the buck some. Got the skip in the back for the fuck some. Running the ass, we gon' knuckle up. YG's in the back tryna bust some. Straight from the block, we were making it shake. No Tony, no Tiger, we paid. With my brothers, I'm going like straight to the top, and I got what it takes. It's nothing but cheddar, it's nothing but cake. It's nothing but gas, what the fuck is a break? I can't even count on this money I made. I'm making this guts, can't make a mistake, can't make this shit.
Yo, what up, fam? Been doing a terrible job keeping everybody up, keeping the channel updated. But yeah, I just wanted to kick with y'all for a minute, tell y'all what's been going on. Traded the DRZ for this guy. I got another video I'm about to post about that coming up soon. It's got a Honda crate motor in it, a 125 motor in it, Honda motor, and they threw it in a Chinese frame or some shit like that. But I don't know, man. The front brake, the rear brake, it don't have no front brake at all, and the rear brake's right here, clutch is right here, and it's sketchy, man. I don't know, I gotta get used to it, or I might glue this rear brake over on this side, more than likely. Trying to figure out how. Anyway, I'll figure that shit out later. You know, I'll come through with some videos for this guy. Your boy had to go get a truck. I got tired of putting my bike on that little carrier. So I caught me a little cheap Silverado. Love it. Loving this guy. Super clean. Throw my system in here this weekend. I don't know what's up with that hinge. If you do, let me know. But yeah, so let's go on a little ride real quick. Me and your buddy we almost hit. Me. Oh, fuck.